And we're back to learn CapCut in here, day 8. Let me show you how you can adjust the duration of all images that you've got in your project at once. So I've shown you in the last video, if you add your images here in the timeline, you're gonna get the default length of 3 seconds. And if you add multiple, it's just a multiplier of 3, so 2 images will be 6 seconds, 3 images 9, and so forth. You now wanna resize them, so make them longer, let's say 5 seconds. You can do it like this. So just go to the end of it and drag it. And the slider helps you in finding the best position. So in our case, 5 seconds, 0 frames. But you can already see when you have a slideshow, let's say of 50, 100 images, it's very tedious, takes a long time, and there's an easier way to do it. Let me delete everything. No matter what I've set for the duration of the last image, it's always 3. And to change that, we go to Menu, Settings, and find the Edit, which should be the second option at the top. And here you will see something called Image Duration. It's going to be set to 3 seconds, and that's why all images have 3 and 0 frames. The unit is either as for seconds or F for frames. Let me change that to maybe, let's say 6 seconds. I confirm via Save. And now if I click on the plus sign for an image, it directly gets 6 seconds and not 3 anymore. So if I add 2, we have 12 seconds, for example, and so forth. And now think about having 100 images where you would have to set that length manually. It saves you a lot of time. So yet again, Menu, Settings, Edit, and here you can change the image duration. Let me reset it to the default of 3 seconds. Always confirm via Save. And if I import one, you can see it has 3 seconds by default. And this way I can change the duration of all images in CapCut. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.